Bioluminescent streetlights. What are they, how do they work, and why are they a potential solution for a more sustainable and beautiful urban lighting? Bioluminescence is the ability of some living organisms to produce and emit light through a chemical reaction in their bodies. You may have seen bioluminescence in nature, such as the glow of fireflies, the sparkle of plankton in the ocean, or the flash of deep-sea fish. Bioluminescence is a form of cold light, which means that it does not generate heat or waste. It is also very energy efficient, as the organisms only produce light when they need it, such as for communication, attraction, or defense. Now imagine if we could harness the power of bioluminescence to light up our streets without using any electricity. That is the idea behind bioluminescent streetlights, which are being explored by some researchers and innovators around the world. Bioluminescent streetlights use bacteria that have been genetically modified to glow in the dark. These bacteria are usually found in the sea, where they form symbiotic relationships with some animals, such as squid and fish. By inserting the genes that code for the light-producing enzyme luciferase into the bacteria, scientists can make them bioluminescent on demand. The bioluminescent bacteria are then placed in transparent tubes or pods that can be attached to poles, walls, or trees. The tubes or pods are filled with a nutrient-rich solution that keeps the bacteria alive and happy. The bacteria can be controlled by a switch or a sensor that activates or deactivates the light production. Alternatively, the bacteria can be programmed to respond to environmental cues, such as temperature, pH, or oxygen levels. The result is a soft and natural glow that can illuminate the streets at night. But why would we want to use bioluminescent streetlights instead of conventional ones? Well, there are several advantages to this idea. We will discuss 3 of them: energy saving, pollution reduction, and innovation stimulation. First, bioluminescent streetlights could save a lot of energy and money. According to some estimates, street lighting accounts for about 6% of the global electricity consumption and costs billions of dollars per year. We could reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and lower our carbon footprint. It could also be cheaper to install and maintain, as they do not require wiring, batteries, or bulbs. Second, bioluminescent streetlights could reduce light pollution, which is a serious problem in many urban areas. Light pollution is the excessive and inappropriate use of artificial light that affects the natural cycles of wildlife, plants, and humans. It can also obscure the view of the stars in the night sky. By using bioluminescent streetlights, we could create a more harmonious and aesthetic lighting that respects the natural rhythms of the night. It could also enhance the beauty and attractiveness of the urban landscape, creating a more pleasant and inviting atmosphere for the residents and visitors. Third, bioluminescent streetlights could inspire more innovation and creativity in the field of urban design and lighting. It could offer a variety of colors, shapes, and patterns that could be customized according to the needs and preferences of the users. It could also interact with the surrounding environment and the people, creating a dynamic and interactive lighting experience. To illustrate these advantages, let me give you some examples that have been proposed or implemented in different places. One of them is Glowy, a French startup that has developed a bioluminescent lighting system based on marine bacteria. Glowy has installed its bioluminescent tubes in various locations, such as a vaccination center, a public square, and an airport, to demonstrate the feasibility and appeal of its technology. Glowy aims to create a bioluminescent lighting network that can be controlled and customized by an app, and that can adapt to the changing needs and moods of the users. As you can see, bioluminescent streetlights are not only possible, but also promising. They could offer a more sustainable, beautiful, and innovative alternative to conventional streetlights, and create a new relationship between the city and the nature, the light and the dark, the technology and the biology. So, what do you think? Are bioluminescent streetlights a good idea or a bad idea? Do you think they are feasible and desirable, or just a fantasy and a folly? Would you like to see them in your city or town, or would you prefer to stick to the traditional streetlights? Let me know your thoughts and questions in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.